Good morning, dear children. Let us start the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is Time. It is chapter number 6. And today we are going to learn about earlier and later. Okay, so by the end of this class, you will learn about earlier and later. So let us start the class. Look at the picture shown in the video. What can you see in the picture? In the picture, we can see houses, we can see trees, we can see birds, okay? But in the very middle, what can you see? You can see the sun, okay? We can see the sun. The sun is rising up. So when the sun rises up, what does it mean? It means that the day is going to start, okay? In the next picture, you can see that some students or some children are playing in a park, okay, and it is during the daytime. How can you know that it is a daytime? Because you can see the sun is shining brightly, okay. In the next picture, you can see that the sun is setting down, okay. So it is going to be dark, all right. So it is almost dark, that means little brightness is there, and it is going to be dark soon, all right. In the next picture, you can see that there is no sun and stars are twinkling, and there is a moon. That means there is darkness and it is the time of the night. Now what can you understand from the position of the sun? Okay, when the sun rises, it becomes what? It becomes morning. Here in the first picture, you can see the sun is rising slowly and it is morning. When the sun is above our head, that means it is noon. What does it mean? It means noon. Okay, the sun is shining brightly. In the third picture, it is evening. The sun is setting down and it is going to be dark. Okay, and in the last picture, you can see that there is no sun and there is a moon and stars are twinkling. So what do you mean by all this? With the position of the sun, we can get morning, we get noon, we get evening, and we get night. Okay, we get night. So these are the 4 events that happen during the day: morning, noon, evening, and night. So in the morning, what do you do? That means when the sun rises up, the time is morning. What do? You wake up. Okay, so it is the time to wake up, because during the night you have slept, isn't it? So morning is the time we have to wake up and get ready for the day. The sun is rising up. Then what do? You brush your teeth, isn't it? You freshen up. You brush your teeth, you wash your face, you wash your hands, isn't it? Then you have your breakfast. Okay, so then you have, after brushing your teeth, you have your breakfast. First you wake up, then you brush your teeth, and then you have your breakfast. Then what do? Then you get ready for school, isn't it? But now since the schools are closed, what do? You get ready for the online classes, isn't it? You put on your uniform, okay, then you sit down on a table, then you put the books, which subject is going to happen in the first live class, isn't it? You get ready for the online class. But if it was not a lockdown, or if the schools were open, what would you have done? You would have come to school, isn't it? Then you have to pack your bags. That means you have to put your books, copies, pencil, eraser, everything in your bag, and then come to school. Then you have your lunch. That means during the noon. The sun is, where is the sun? The sun is above our head. Okay. Then it is evening. So in the evening, what do? You play with your friends, you play with your brothers and sisters, isn't it? So evening is the time you play, you do different kinds of activities. And then what do? You have dinner. Okay, so at night you have your dinner with your family, and afterwards what you do, you go to sleep, because it is the night time and the whole day you have done different kinds of things, so your body needs rest, isn't it? You need to sleep, you need to relax your mind, your brain, isn't it? So you sleep, and then again what happens, the next day you wake up again, you brush your teeth, and then what you do, you have your breakfast and then get ready for school. So these are the different activities we do throughout our day: waking up, brushing, having our breakfast, getting ready for school, having our lunch, then playing in the evening, and then having our dinner, and then sleeping. So many different kinds of activities we do throughout the day. Okay, now, who tells us to do all these kinds of things? No one tells us. Our parents tells us, because they are also doing. But it is the routine of a normal life to wake up, to fresh up, okay, to have your breakfast. If you are a student, you are going to school. If you are working, you go to your office, isn't it? Okay, so different people are doing different kinds of activities throughout the day, and at the night they have their dinner and they go to sleep. Okay, with the position of the sun we are getting the time zone. What we are getting? We are getting the time. If the sun is rising up, then it is morning. Okay, if the sun is above our head, that means it is noon. When the sun is setting down, it is evening, and when it is dark, it is night. Okay, in this chapter, in today's class, we are going to learn about earlier and later. That means so many activities you do, which one you do first. Okay, earlier means you are doing first, later means afterwards. Okay, earlier and later words are used for events happening at different time. Okay, now waking up or having your lunch are different time zone, isn't it? You are doing at different time. You wake up in the morning, but you have your lunch in the noon, in the afternoon. Okay, so both the activities you do during the day, but at different time. Okay, in the morning you wake up, in the morning you don't have your lunch, you wake up. Okay, in the afternoon you have your lunch. Now in example 1, it is given in your textbook, page number 14. Take the activity which is done earlier in the given pairs of activities. Okay, one is done for you. The first one, okay, bathing or going to school. Okay, it has been already done for you. So you do what? You bath first, then only you go to school. You don't go to school and have your bath, isn't it? You first take your bath and then you go to school. The second is cycling or waking up. Which one you do first? You have to wake up, isn't it? Then only you cycle. Now which is earlier and which is later? Waking up is earlier and then cycling is later. Okay, so we just have to what? Tick mark here. Question number C is given. You are sleeping or you are in a school. That means sleeping is during the night and in the school is during the day. Which one happens first? You first come to a school, you study, and then you go home and sleep, isn't it? So you do first going to school. Question number D is waking up or eating your breakfast. Which one you do first? You first wake up, then only you have your breakfast. Okay. Question number E is brushing your teeth or reading. Okay, as soon as you wake up, you don't start reading, isn't it? You wake up, then you brush your teeth, then only you afterwards you read. So first what you do? You brush your teeth. Okay children, so these are the activities we have to choose between. So children, based on the topic we have discussed today, I have taken two questions here. Okay, you have to give the answer by yourself. The first question is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? Okay, so when you wake up, what happens? The sun rises, isn't it? So what is the first thing you do when you wake up? The next question, which comes earlier, playing or attending online classes? Okay, so you have to choose between the two. Okay, the first is given, play playing, and the second is given attending online classes. Nowadays, since the school is closed, there is no regular class, so you are attending online classes, isn't it? So which one you have to do first, which come earlier? Okay. And the new words that you have learned today are earlier and later. Okay, both the words used to describe events that happens at different time. Earlier means that is an activity that happens before, and later means afterwards. Okay. And the homework for today is example 2, page number 15, textbook. Okay, there you have also you have to choose between earlier and later. You just have to write in words. So children, remember the spelling earlier and later. Earlier is spelled as EARLIER and later is spelled as LATER. Okay children, so this is the class for today. We have learned about the position of the sun throughout the day. Okay, with the position of the sun we get morning, noon, evening and night. Okay, and during throughout the day we do different kinds of activity, starting from waking up from the bed till going to bed at night for sleep. Okay, so in the next class we will learn a new topic. Okay, with this I conclude my video, and in the Google Classroom I'll be giving the 2 questions that I have asked. Alright, so with this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.